Hey guys, welcome to Tech Overloaded. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background from any image in seconds. Go to Google Chrome. I will type a person image. I will choose a random image and remove background from it. I think I will choose it. Save image. It's a dummy image. Okay, now go to www.remove remove.bg. It's a free tool for removing background images. Drop your image here. Now in this seconds it has removed the background from this image. This is ultra amazing tool to work with. You can also download it. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.